You see that Pro Charger?
You see where we at, man. This the guys that, yeah. You see where we at. No, my bad, nah. Let me turn you down. Nah. What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I have a mod video. Today is the first mod for the Chrysler 300. We finna go to one of my homeboy shops and hopefully get the cats deleted so it can sound a little louder. If you don't know, the car does not have an exhaust, but it is on dumps with the cats on it still, so it is quiet. I believe that's why it's so quiet. So we're finna go over there, have him gut the cats, and yeah, hopefully it opens up the sound a little bit. I'll give y'all a POV once I get a little closer. I'm still about 30 minutes away, 25. So once I get a little closer, I'll put the headset on so y'all can hear it. And yeah, bro, hope y'all enjoy this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we in the Swapazoid. Feel good outside, I ain't gonna lie. Hear the car not that loud. It's more of like a calm loud, like a subtle, like if you was to get next to it and I hit it, like you'll definitely feel it vibrate and rumble the ground, but you're not hearing that whole from a distance for sure, 100%. But I mean, you know, it ain't crazy, and I just wanted to be a little bit louder, not too crazy louder. Like, I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully this don't make it too loud, because if it do, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna have to put the exhaust back on. Look, that's my car. Y'all a sneak peek. She's looking good though. Body lines all aligned up. Get the hood put down all the way. Get her a little wash, wrap her. Gonna be good, man. We probably gonna go up there today and see what she's saying, see what they talking about over there. Go fuck with them and give them, tell them to give y'all an update on what's going on, so they can explain to y'all what's been going on with the car. I tried my best to explain it, but you know, I'm only so much of a mechanic. I'm not a certified mechanic, so I can only tell you so much. But yeah, we'll probably go over there today so I can show y'all the car and let y'all hear it, because I know it hasn't been on the camera yet. I've been kind of shy to show y'all on the camera because I just wanted to come back looking good, and you know, I wanted to turn some heads whenever it comes back. So I didn't want to give no sneak peeks of what it's gonna look like, but y'all just got it right there. It looks good. It sounds good. That's all I can ask for, bro. I just want to drive the car, be back in the car. Of course, I love my Chrysler too. Chrysler has to go soon, but you know, my Charger's gonna be with me forever, and I love that car, man. Humming. Like if a nigga humming and he a distance away, you'll hear that nigga humming. Like you hear the vocal cords, you'll hear him humming from a distance. Like what, bro? I know I be turning when I see you, but damn. at this. Look at this dude. Damn, my bad. Sophisticated downshift. Sophisticated downshift. Those are what we call those. Littering hard. That shit cray. Alright, we finna pull up to the spot. We 1 minute away, so I'll turn the camera back on once we make it there. I think it's right here. Like right as soon as I make this turn. Yes, sir. In the shop. My boy. You're the boy. Forgive me, right? He did his cats on his shit. He got the exact same shit I got. Dumps with gutted cats. So his shit loud too. So he say this whole gonna open it up. So we're gonna see. They're doing it. They got one of the cats off. The other one was too hot because I was driving crazy on the way here a little bit, but they damn near got him off, and he's gonna gut him right now. So but yeah, bro. They got all the stuff out. They done. They're just putting them back in now. So we'll be able to hear it soon. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
It's gonna be like my shit now.
Yeah. That's what I need that to sound like. There it is. Come on. There it is. like this. Make me feel like a kid again. Yes, sir. Definitely doing what it's supposed to do.
Oh, fuck, explain that, sorry. I'm gonna let you see that whole person first.
You think this one will come? You think this one? You think that'll fit on this one?
Hey, did you go with this color combo? Or you just got this hoe?
That came, it's an orange edition, so it came with that hoe. Oh, good. You see where we at? You see where we at? Gotta get all this stuff out of here, the junk out of here. But other than that, shit, she good. Side skirts on. Remember we ain't had no bumper on that bit. I got all the other stuff for it. Yes, I gotta get my Brembos re-wrapped. Them hoes all scratched up. Man, I can't wait, man. I can't wait. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna insert the clips that bro just showed me of that hoe running. Psych! You see where we at, man. This the guys that basically took my car in and fixed all the hiccups and everything that was wrong with it once it came from the other shop. So big shouts out to them. We're definitely gonna be over here a lot more, getting stuff done, getting work done. But yeah, bro, I can't wait for the car to come back. I'm so excited. I'm hyped. I know y'all remember that steering wheel. But yeah, bro, shout out to them again. These boys get work done. They're not the cheapest, but they get work done. If you want good work, if you want good performance work, shit, they do it. And you see we got one. That's our homeboy car right here. Our other homeboy car, the other 300 of our homeboys is over here somewhere. And then yeah, so basically just over here I went to drop something off, but it didn't work, so gotta figure something out. But yeah, bro, shout out to them. They got me right. The shop is called TROP, Texan Odin on IG and shit. But other than that, shit, it went to the body shop. That's why it has all these different body panels on it. If you remember, or if you've been looking at the videos, you know that my my what's the name? My whole front end was tweaked out. There was twisted and some more shit. So had to take it to the body shop, and it looks better now, but it could be better. I'll probably send it somewhere later on, but it's not the biggest problem. But yeah, bro, definitely need a washing it, bit. But shit, I'll turn the camera back on whenever I get back in the Chrysler and head on the way back to my side of town. I do gotta go handle some more shit, so yeah. You see that Pro Charger? Yeah, that shit hard. So I'm finna probably end the video here and just enjoy my drive to the crib. I gotta head back out later, so hope y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe. The Scatty will be back. He said that they should be at the end of this week, that they should be working on it. It's already done. It just needs to be like retuned and stuff like that. As you saw under it, the car is pretty much put together. It's it just needs to be retuned and some more shit. So hope y'all enjoyed that video. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all so much, man, for all the support in the videos. It means a lot to me. I don't know how much I can tell y'all that. And yeah, bro.